So for strategies for Werewolf, I guess we'll break it down to the good team and then the bad team. So if you're the good guy, aka like the villagers of the town, you want to keep asking questions because something about being on the bad side means you have to lie a lot. So if you're going around constantly asking questions, keeping tabs on different people, eventually there's going to be some cracks in lying. It's hard to keep lying over and over again and keep the story consistent. A great strategy is to kill people in the day phase as much as you can, because that's the only way to really get advantage as good people. There's no other ways to defeat the bad guys. So kill as often as you can. Sounds kind of messed up, but that's how the game is. As for the bad guys, generally you're going to have some teammates. Even if you're not the werewolf explicitly, you'll have something werewolf adjacent, like some ability to protect him. So you want to make sure those guys are protected. And all the while doing that, you want to confuse the good guys. Say as little as possible without being too quiet, because being too quiet creates confusion. And then you also want to kill those during the night phase who you suspect are onto you, but again, you can't be too obvious about it.